Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter using raw milk. First, you'll need to separate the cream. Let your raw milk sit in a cool spot, ideally between 40 and 45 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 12 to 24 hours. This allows the rich cream to naturally rise to the surface. Once a clear cream line forms, gently skim off the thick layer. You'll want at least 2 cups of cream to start making a decent amount of delicious homemade butter. Now for the fun part, churning. Make sure your cream is at the right temperature, ideally around 60 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal results. Pour your cream into your chosen churning vessel, whether it's a traditional churn, a stand mixer with a whisk attachment, or even a simple jar. Begin churning, and you'll notice the cream thickening, then becoming lumpy, and finally, separating into solid butter and liquid buttermilk. This usually takes about 15 minutes of consistent effort. After churning, you'll have a beautiful lump of butter and a lot of buttermilk. First, drain off all the liquid buttermilk. You can save this for baking. Next, it's crucial to wash the butter thoroughly. Place the butter in a bowl of very cold water, and using your hands or a spatula, knead it to squeeze out any remaining buttermilk. Change the water and repeat this process about 3 to 5 times until the water remains perfectly clear. This step is vital for extending your butter's shelf life. Finally, it's time to salt and store your homemade butter. First, press out any last bits of water. Then, if you prefer salted butter, sprinkle in fine-grained salt. A good starting point is about 1/2 teaspoon of salt for every cup of butter, but adjust to your preference. Mix it in thoroughly. Shape your butter as desired, perhaps into a block or logs. Store your delicious, fresh butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks, or freeze it for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.